Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I came out here to film a particular tip. I had it in my mind. I thought, set the camera up, get this tip on tape before it leaves my brain. And as I came out here, it's the very end of July, and there's two fawns, two young deer, still with spots on them. Seems like an unusual time of year to me. I would expect that in the spring, but I don't know enough about the ecology. But anyway, they seem to be alone, and they didn't seem to be exhibiting the behaviors of an adult deer that you'd expect. So today's Tàijíquán tip is take the children as your teachers. Not your idea about the children, because then it's really you, like whatever you've determined to be worth valuing in the realm of youth, that will be your teacher. So it's really that concept, that principle, or through that filter. Rather, what I mean is watch an actual child or group of children with the idea of, I'm going to learn from this. They might not be teaching. I don't know that those deer were trying to teach me, but it was easy for me to look at them and think, oh, you're doing that wrong, or you should be a little more fearful of me, or maybe get into the undergrowth, or start running sooner, or whatever, or be on the lookout, don't look so blasé. And while that might be appropriate for an older deer, I'm sure that what they were doing is appropriate for them at their age. And if I don't assume I know how they're meant to be, I can learn from it. So I'd invite you to learn from children, not childishness, but childlikeness. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and keep growing.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.